Hi everyone, here are your spelling words for this week. What they have in common is that there is one consonant, one letter that is silent. So remember, consonants are the letters that are not A, E, I, O, and U. So any other letter in the alphabet is a consonant. And these words have a consonant that you don't actually pronounce when you say the word that it's a part of. So before we get into the activity for the words, let's read those words. Half, comb, honor, fasten, kneel, wreath, calm, answer, handsome, wrinkle, listen, fetch, yoke, climb, honest, knuckle, plumber, limb, folktale, gnarled. Here are the review words. These are words from last week. They don't follow the rule for this week with the silent consonant. Hospital, important, continue, history. Here are your challenge words. These words follow the silent consonant rule. Doubt, hasten, tomb, and wrestle. All right, those are your words for this week. Now you're ready to move into the activity for these words.